Hi everyone! Today is my final, for now, collab with the guys from Almost Finns. So without any further ado, here is Eric to introduce you this week's Word of the Week.
Hey, my name is Eric. I'm the handsome one of the three guys in Almost Finns. We have a comedy channel. Very good comedy. We talk about Finland, Finnish people and our experiences in Finland. We speak Finnish and we have subtitles in English, Spanish, Arabic and Finnish. My favorite word is Kalsarikännit. It means to stay home in your underwear and drink. 3 reasons why I like it. Too easy. First reason, because it describes 3 different and very cool actions in one word. To stay home, to wear just underwear, and to drink alcohol. Second reason, to be a Finnish word that describes so much, it's not so long. Thanks Finnish grammar. Third reason, it's not only the best word in Finnish, but also the best word in the world. I know it because I know almost all the languages around the world. Done! Did you see? This is how a professional works. Fast and good.
Okay, Eric, battery full charge. Let's start.
It actually took less than I thought. Eric!
So thank you so much to Eric and the rest of Almost Finns for introducing us this new word. I'm sure a lot of you have maybe heard of this already. It is quite a famous word in Finnish. So the direct translation in English would be Pantsdrunk. Pantsdrunk. And just like Eric said, it describes the action of staying at home with no intention of going out, being in as little clothing as possible, and as the word itself kind of describes, you're usually in your underwear, kind of hanging out and drinking, presumably alone or with, it's not like a party situation, it's like you're either alone or with very few people. So again, the word is Kalsarikännit. Kalsarikännit. Kalsari translates to kind of underwear. In my head, Kalsari is kind of more like a men's underwear. You know those boxer pants? The like bigger boxer pants that guys wear? In my head, that's what Kalsarit are. And kännit is a word for getting drunk. So if you say on kännissä, that means I'm drunk. Or oot kännissä, you're drunk. Ollaan kännissä, we are drunk. Vedetään kännit, let's get drunk. So kännit is just another way to say drunk. So together, the yhdyssana is kalsarikännit, meaning underpants drunk or pants drunk. Yeah. So that is the little word of the week for this week. Let me know if your language has anything similar to this, either culturally or a word that maybe describes this sort of action. Once again, I'd like to give a huge thanks to the guys from Almost Finns for collaborating with me on 3 videos. It's been so fun working together, and do make sure to check out their YouTube channel for more content about Finnish culture and language and life in Finland. And with that, that just about concludes this week's video. Moikka!